Hello everyone, now we are going to learn about conservation of forest. What is conservation? Conservation means to protect natural resources, if it is about forest or water or any other like soil. So conservation means to protect such kind of natural resources due to unwanted use. Okay, so to protect these natural resources for future use is conservation. And future use means not only for us but for our future generation as well. So there are so many ways to conserve forest. What are those? Forest fire. For to control forest fire, how we can control forest fire? But before knowing that, we should discuss what is forest fire. Forest fire is sudden fire that catches on forest, that is forest fire, due to man-made reason or due to natural reason. Man-made means if some tribal people are cooking food there, or some tourist has gone to forest and they are cooking food, they are just busy with their picnic and cooking food. So these are natural reasons that this should be controlled. These are artificial or man-made reason. These actions should be prevented. Okay, next one is natural reason. The leaves of plants, trees become dry during summer season, and when strong wind is blowing in a forest, then those leaves rub each other, and we know that after rubbing, this is what? This is friction. After rubbing, the temperature of surface of that particular object increases. As I am rubbing my hand right now and I am feeling that it is warm. It is my temperature is a little bit increasing and I am feeling warmth on my palm. So just like that, temperature of leaves increases and finally they attain their ignition temperature and catches fire. So if something like this happened in a forest, then that forest fire should be controlled quickly by spraying fire extinguisher solution from aircrafts, or by changing the direction of wind by using strong blowers. Okay, understood? Next one, stop deforestation. Deforestation is an activity that should be prevented, because humans are cutting forest for making furniture, for making houses, and not only for all this purpose but for constructing buildings, roads, and for increasing the cropping lands. So there should be some alternative mean to so that there should be some alternative ways to check how we can construct building without cutting forest, or how we can increase our cropping land. Next one is afforestation. More and more plantation, it saves our environment, because finally it increases the number of plants and forest can be conserved. Recycling of paper. Paper is a plant product and there are so much use of paper everywhere in all sphere of our life. So what should be there? If we are doing some soft copy work, then that should not be taken in print out, to conserve paper, and in that way we can save our time as well. There is not repetition of work. And all newspapers, notebooks, all whatever the paper which are in use, that should be recycled and recycled. After recycling, the new recycled paper should be used for various purpose, especially for rough purpose. Next one is control overgrazing. Overgrazing means grazing means when animals they graze, they take grasses, leaves for their food, so that is called grazing. So overgrazing means बहुत ज़्यादा when animals take grasses and leaves of plants, so that should be controlled. Overgrazing should be controlled to protect forest, to conserve forest. Next one is use LPG, not wood, as fuel. There should be use of LPG, not wood, for fuel, because LPG do not increase pollution. At the same time, it is effective, it is efficient, it is a what we can say, it is a standard fuel, ideal fuel. And wood is not good for cooking as well, because it creates finally smoke, it gives out smoke that increases the pollution level. At the same time, due to using of wood, there is a cutting down of forest, people have to cut down forest, so the use of wood should be replaced by LPG. Nowadays government is giving LPG connections to everywhere, and in villages, and they should also give to tribal people as well. So all these are all means through which we can conserve forest. I hope I am making sense, you understood all these things. If any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now you look at the screen.